Hi, this is Shannon, and I'm here to help you customize your Aurora Cellars Club shipment order. I'll walk you through how to select your wines, change wine delivery choice, and update your credit card number. First, go to auroracellars.com and click Shop from the menu. In the upper left corner, click Log In. A window will pop up prompting you to log into your club account. Now enter your username and password. It's likely your username is your email address. If you have forgotten your password, click below the login area and we will send you a password reset instruction email. You should now be logged into your account. Click on your name in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. You are now viewing your wine club account profile. From the categories listed on the left side of the screen, select Customize Shipment and then click Choose Wines. Now let's pick your wines. For your convenience, the winemaker has already selected bottles of wine for you and placed them into your shopping cart. 6 bottles for SOM members and 12 for proprietor. That is why you see listed the estimated subtotal and the percentage of savings based on your club level. These selections typically include pre-released or exclusive wines just for club members. If you want to change these quantities or remove them from your shopping cart, simply change the quantities for each wine, then proceed to selecting your preferred wines. You can make as many changes as you want until the announced deadline. Remember, you must choose at least 6 bottles for SOM members and 12 for proprietor for this club shipment. Make sure you have enough wine to last until your next club shipment. Ordering more bottles also helps make the most of your discount and shipping costs. When you have finished selecting your bottles, scroll down to see your billing information and payment method. If you need to change your credit card information or add a new card, select the drop-down arrow and add a new card. Next, determine how you want to receive your wine. You can have it sent to your billing address or pick it up at our tasting room. You can also have it sent to another location or send as a gift to someone aged 21 or older. Select New Shipping Address, then add a new shipping address to get started. Fill out their information and write a gift message. When you are done, click Submit and your club shipment order is complete. You will receive a confirmation email of your club shipment selections. If you see any corrections that need to be made, simply return to your account before the deadline to make changes and resubmit. Your credit card will not be charged until the date we've provided in email and on this landing page. If you still need help after watching this video and reading our frequently asked questions, please call our tasting room during business hours. We'd be happy to help you place your order.